Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn how to change the port of your local host using Xampp server. So here we can see that currently my website is working on the default port that is 80. So if I want to change that, I will have to stop Apache first and then go to config and select the first option. You will see a notepad opened and what you have to do is scroll down. Here you will find listen 80. Listen 80 is basically the port it is currently working on. So if you want to change it to something else, say 8090, I will write that and save it. Once you're done with that, start the Apache again. So here you can see that the port now on which it will run is 8090. So now when I refresh, I will get an error that this page does not exist or cannot be reached. This is because here localhost, I have not mentioned the port here. Initially, we did not need to mention any port because that was working on that was your default port. But when you change it to something else, you need to mention it like this :8090. And as you can see, now the website is working on this port. Thank you so much for watching.